Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Golos in the kitchen. Today now I'm making one of the craziest recipe with the help of papad and veg. The recipe was the crazy, and with the help of papad I am making papad veg rolls. Let's check the recipe how I am making. Papad 4, onions 1, cut into slices, capsicum 2, beans, green chilies, tomato 1, coriander chop, salt, oil, atta for frying the veg. This is the recipe for papad veg rolls. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. For oil, add sliced onions, fry it for 2 minutes on low flame. Add little bit of salt for little bit goldenness. Next add green chilies, then capsicum, cook it for more 2 minutes. Next add beans and tomatoes and chopped coriander. Turmeric powder, and little bit chili powder. Fry it for 2 minutes. Next add the atta flour. The veg stuff, keep it in a side. Now take the papads and make a rolls. Let's see. First of all, pour water and take the papad and soak it for 2 minutes. It will get a nice tangy and fold nicely. So soak it for minimum 5 to 10 minutes. You can see now it little bit bending, and soak it for more minutes. Another side, pour water in atta for rolling the papad samosas. Now you can see, taking the papad, add veg, you can add egg veg rolls, chicken veg rolls, but I am adding totally on veg. So keep the round set like this stuff. And keep the atta batter in middle. You can see the papad veg rolls. Set into like this and roast it. Pour oil and set it like this one by one with low flame. You can deep fry or bake. And again roll it down slowly. Rotate. Roast it in a low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Crispiness on top and take it to the serving plate. Papad veg rolls. Finally, papad veg rolls is ready and now I am tasting. You can see, you can roll how you like. This papad is a snack and the papad taken to the another way. This is papad veg roll. Roast it on a oil kadai. You can deep fry it, whatever you like. And nice recipe. I'm getting crispy and tangy taste. You can see the weight. Thanks for watching.